Hi everyone, my name is Jean-Christophe. Today I'm going to teach you what if name equals main is in Python and how it works. So if name equals main essentially is something that you see at the bottom of a script telling you if you should execute it. And what it says is if the name equals main, then execute whatever is found inside the Python file. But it will only execute if you run it directly and not if you import it as a module. So in order to make that clearer, I'm going to create this main module that will essentially just print the name here. And I will run this to make it clearer. So I can do Python 3 main module.py. And if you do this, you can see that the name of the module is main. If instead I decide that I want to import a main module instead of just running, so I have this import main function that will import the name module, and essentially it will execute this print name. So if I do Python 3 in this case, and I do import main, so now it's not run as the Python file, but as an import module, you can see that the name of the file, the name will return is essentially the name of the module in which it's found. So we can define that it was imported in this case and not important in that case. So if we look at the main module, we can now show how if name equals main works. So because if I do if name equals main, so in that case, if it's run directly, then do something. And in this case, it will only run if I import it directly. So we can do something. We can define a function. In this case, we can say, okay, main. We can create that main function and say print that it was executed. And instead of saying do something, we can say main here. So essentially what this will do is if I run it directly, it will print the name here and it will print the main function was executed. And I can also put an else statement to decide what I want it to do if it does not. So in order to make it clearer, I will print the main function did not execute. So if I save this file, I can show that I can do Python 3 main module.py. And you can see that main function was executed when the name was equal main. And if I import it, you can see that the main function did not execute. So that's basically what it is. So it's not as complex as it looks like, but that's all it is. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next video tutorial. See you later.